Alright everyone, Assalamualaikum. So I want to show you how cocopeat is made. Actually not is made. My English is broken.
How to make?
Okay, so this is coconut lah. If you don't know, this is coconut. Okay. So this is the husk, coconut husk, and then from here, you take out the husk, and then this one, if you take it out, you blend it, you will have you see. So this is the cocopeat that you use a lot in gardening. If you have coconut, you can take it out yourself. Maybe you just want to have just a handful of cocopeat, you can take from your coconut. If you don't have coconut, buy our cocopeat. We sell it too. Okay, that's all. Thank you.